Yeah, button starts. Yo, what's up everyone? It's King Camry. I am back. My apologies, I am delayed in a few videos, but I'm promising to make that up to you guys these next few days. I should be uploading weekly. Today I got you guys a new video, a new challenge, and something new that you guys could probably use: how to clean your red interior, how I do it for a normal person, for a daily driver. I don't have any skill set, I don't have any type of experience in detailing. I'm gonna do and show you guys what I do to protect and clean my red interior. So a viewer asked me how my MPG was driving in the city, driving in the highway, and I'm gonna show him right now how it's been for me right now ever since I did delete my resonator and did remove my stock mufflers. So I got 26.4 MPG. This is on a 2.5 4-cylinder, and let me show you what my drive info was. So there you go, 16 MPG, 33 minutes, 4.1 miles. Thank you so much for asking that question. So as you guys seen how I started my Camry, if you guys want to check out those videos on how you can do that, they are in my channel. So make sure you guys go check that out on how I did to set up an exhaust like that on my Camry, and feel free to show some love. Okay, so what do I use to clean my red interior? And it's just 3 simple things. First up is a vacuum. You want to be very careful though, because you don't want to go ahead and be aggressive and dig into the seats. You know, like they say in Spanish, por encimita, and I guess in English it's just be gentle. You know, just make sure you're just, you don't want to be too aggressive with this, because you will mess up your seats. Just beware of that. And second is a microfabric towel, sponsored by Kirkland, but you just need a Costco membership card. This is just to wipe down and to apply what I use to my seats. So you will need one of these, or you can be fancy and use something you like. That's totally up to you. And here we go, oh shoot. And here we go down to the most controversial part of the video. I know everybody has their own brands, blah, 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 blah. But I'm gonna show you guys what I use and what's worked for me. I've been using this since 2019, since I got my cam. And like they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And it's broken. This is broken. I have here the Chemical Guys cleaner and conditioner, and what it does is it cleans and it conditions. Meaning when you clean, and when you condition, and you just clean. And I need to get some more information on this. Give me a second. No, I'm just joking. I've been using this for almost 3 years. Of course I know what it does. It is a remarkable invention from Chemical Guys. This has changed the world, and I feel like every person that puts this on their leather seats is saving a leather seat's life. So make sure you guys okay, enough jokes. First off, I'm not sponsored. This is not a Chemical Guys. They gave me this, and no. I've always paid this with my own money. I've been using this since 2019, and I remember the first thing that worried me is that, damn, what am I gonna find to clean my red seats? Because I found so many reviews, so many people saying that every cleaner they've used to protect their leather seats, the red was peeling off, was coming off with their towel. So that was the most concern, and this thing certainly hasn't done that over the course of time. So the first thing I like to do is I like to drop down the seat, incline it, and that will just expose all the crumbs, all the mess that's inside there. And now this is the time, this is the moment, this is where you start using your big vacuum. So let's start vacuuming. So I am all finished. I will show you guys though something is that, as you guys can see, if you open the seams, you will find some type of crumbs, whatever you will find in here. Normally what I do with this, and I forgot it actually, is I grab a soft toothbrush with warm water, not hot, just warm water, and I start digging it out with the toothbrush. And normally what that does is it takes all that out, and it just makes it more easier for me to clean with the vacuum. The vacuum can't pull this, so I just have to work with what I got today. Okay, so that's it. I did manage to get it out with the vacuum. If you do that very often, you will actually have a nice time taking out the crumbs. But if these crumbs have been in here for a long time, you will need that toothbrush. As you guys could see, there is these creases, and that has nothing to do with the product of what I use to maintain my seats. This is actually just wear and tear. And honestly, mostly 70% of people that own Toyotas has these issues with these seats, unfortunately. Perforated seats are a pain in the ass. I am not a fan of them no more, simply because when you get crumbs, it becomes more pain in the ass to take out off these crumbs. Normally what I do with this is I just use a toothpick and just hope for the best. Damn, bro. Hey, I think they're skipping the video, bro. What do I do with them? Throw them out the video. Throw them out the video? Nah, I can't do that. Nah, it's cool. Hold on. Hey, man, let me see your hands real quick. Let me see your hands. You need gloves, because this is chemical, guys. Chemical. That means everything inside here is a chemical. And honestly, you want to protect your hands and make sure you don't get this on your hands. So you need gloves. Let me borrow some. I don't have any. Alright, so how do I apply the chemical, guys? Spray like this is how I do it. I get normally the soft side of the towel, and I do 3 lines. Boom, boom, boom. I also remove the headrest of the seat, and I just do it outside. It's just better for me. And then I just start applying, and boom, sparkly. And the best thing about this thing is you can decide how shiny, how glossy you want your seats to look. Me, I go all out, man. I actually love having my seats shiny and bright. And this product, what it does is it is dry to the touch. So that means when you sit on it, you won't feel that gooey sensation you normally feel on other stuff that other people sell. And as you guys can see, you can see that sparkle, and I hope you guys could see it. It's really shiny, and you can use this on black. You can use this on any color, and it just does the trick. Back then, when I first got my car, I didn't got this product until 3 months after, and my seats, I was taking off so much dark stuff, and I was like, yo, I'm gonna use this forever. And look at that nice shine. Go ahead and touch it, and my finger does not have anything on it, and that's just awesome. So I don't know if you guys could tell the difference because the lighting is pretty bad. So this is the seat I just cleaned and conditioned, and boom, this is the seat I'm about to do it right now. I mean, you could tell the difference right off the bat, like pale red, dry, boring, and like boom, shiny, beautiful red, intense. It looks really good. If you look online, they only recommend cleaning and conditioning your leather seats every 2-3 months, something like that. But me, I try to do it at least every 2 weeks, if not once a month. And look at the difference. Can you guys see that? So I already just cleaned and conditioned my front seats. Now I'm going to hit my headrest. I just find it more easier. I don't know why. That's just how I do it. And here's a question many of you guys probably have. Is it really a cleaner and a conditioner? And I'm going to show you guys, most importantly, if it's a cleaner and how I can confirm it. This is my towel, and this is what I took off my seat. And no, I did not went ahead and drag it on the floor. This is real time, real towel situation of me cleaning my seats. You can't really tell on the seat, but once you finish, this is how it looks. I'm just shocked. So I'm gonna hit my headrest. All right, so let me show you guys the difference. Here is cleaned and conditioned versus nothing. Clean and condition takes care of your seats, take care of the leather, and right here it's just gonna eventually over time fade out. You guys be the judge. So maybe you're wondering what exactly can you clean, but right here, look at this. Boom, looking sexy. You can do this here also. Boom, looking sexy. Anything in your car that has leather, doorknob, steering wheel, anything you guys imagine that has leather, this can get the job done. Absolutely phenomenal. Woo! Thank you so much for watching. You know, I do my best to throw as much information to help you guys and for you to have a walk in the park. This is what I use. Chemical Guy sprayable cleaner and conditioner. I mean, the proof is there. What more do you want? Damn, I'm about to run out. Chemical Guys, hook your boy up. Take care of your boy. I am planning on making a playlist on what I do to protect my car. That's down to cleaning mats, down to cleaning and protecting rims, washing my car, cleaning and protecting windows. And if you're like me that likes to save money and likes to get down and dirty, but save money, let's get down and dirty together. But yo, man, it's been your boy, King Camry. I will be uploading those individually, and because if it's like in a one video, man, it's going to be long like this, and I want to make everything short and sweet, and, you know, just be helpful and be positive with all of you guys, and hopefully, you know, this platform can grow. And so many things I want to do to this car, but, you know, baby steps. It's all about that. You just got to be patient. It's been your boy, King Camry. Been very happy to serve all of you guys, and just stay safe and see you guys. Oh, time to show you guys that leather, how it turned out. Peace. Woo!
What?